Hi, welcome to my channel. We need to find the equations of the tangents to the curve y is equal to 2x minus 1 times x add 1 at the points where the curve cuts the x-axis. We also need to find the point of intersection of these two tangents. So let's start with the curve y is equal to 2x minus 1 brackets x add 1. We'll just clear the brackets and see what we have. We have 2x squared, we have a 2x and a minus x, which will give us an x, and we have minus 1 times 1, which is minus 1. We're told that the curve cuts the x-axis, and if we were to draw a little sketch here, if the curve cuts the x-axis, then y must be equal to 0, because this is the y-axis, so y must be equal to 0. So that implies that y is equal to 0. And so we can equate this to 0. So we have 2x squared add x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we have a quadratic in x, which we can go ahead and solve. And this works out to be 2x squared add 2x minus x minus 1 equal to 0, which factorizes to give us 2x minus 1 into x add 1 equals 0. So our two values of x are x equal to minus 1 and x is equal to a half. Now, given that it cuts the x-axis, the curve cuts the x-axis, these 2 points we can actually find the y-coordinates quite easily. It just implies that the y-coordinates are both 0. So we have minus 1, 0, and a half, 0. So these are the coordinates of the 2 points that the curve, where the curve cuts the x-axis.